Good morning. We are in the port of Tampa. We are waiting to board the Carnival Paradise.
A life jacket in your room, wear. Come here, Derek. We will take care of the rest. If you're outside of the room, come here, Derek. We have the spare. We can give you new one. Okay? You know how to wear life jacket? Perfect. If you know, you can go.
All right, muster station is complete. Now we're off to Guy's Burgers. You got to get your Guy's Burgers in as soon as you walk into the ship.
Show me what's missing now. Don't know if I dare to follow through. 2 steps from the edge, moving closer. In the deep lies the pond of disclosure.
Well, we got our Guy's Burger, and now we also have a Rum Punch from the Red Frog Rum Bar. Well, here's a tour of an inside cabin. We're walking in. We have the bed, TV. Here's another bunk in case you have a third. You have the a little desk area, little vanity, a little area for the water, for your stuff. 3 closets. 3 closets. Here's your life vest. Lots of hangers. There's a ladder there in case you need to, in case you're getting the bunk. And here's the other side of that closet. A lot of space. Another comforter, probably for the bunk bed. Here's more of the closet with your safe and some drawers. Now the bathroom. That's a fairly nice sized shower. Your sink and your toilet. Not as much space on the interior here around the sink as you have for storage in the XL class ships, but it's suitable.
fragile space in a single sail. White rocky island, you and I on the trail, just us and the